Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, this is the third part of chapter number 14, Water. Children, in this part of the chapter, we will be studying about the water as a disaster, flood and drought. Water as a disaster. Rainwater forms an important part of the water cycle. The time, duration and the amount of rainfall varies from place to place. There are places where it rains almost throughout the year, while at some places it rains only for a few days. Deficiency and excess of rainfall both can be disastrous. Flood. Heavy rains may lead to rise in the level of the water in rivers, lakes and ponds. The water may spread over large areas, causing flood. Flood causes extensive damage to crops, domestic animals, property, and human life. Effects of flood. Rapidly running water washes away the top layer of the soil. If water rushes into fields and godowns, it destroys the crops and the stored food materials. It leads to acute shortage of food, clean drinking water, etc. Heavy rains and sudden rush of water carry away human beings, their houses, other belongings, and domestic animals and cause death by drowning. During heavy rains, there are increased chances of outbreaks of epidemics, various kinds of infectious diseases, diarrhea, malaria, etc. Floods for a long period of time delay traffic, disturb the drainage system. Collapse of houses, buildings, bridges, banks and other structures leads to a lot of financial losses. Many aquatic animals are carried away by a strong water currents and are deprived of their habitat and they die. Drought. When there is a very little rain for a long period or there is no rain for a year or more in a region, causing dryness and non-availability of water to plants and animals causes drought. Factors which lead to drought. Very little or no rainfall in a region for a year or more. Continuous loss of water by evaporation from the soils and transpiration from the plants. Due to evaporation and transpiration by the vegetation, the level of water in the lakes, ponds and wells goes down and some of them may even dry up. The groundwater may also become scarce. Effect of drought. Drought causes scarcity of water, so it is difficult to get food and fodder for animals, both for domestic and wildlife of the region. As there is scarcity of water and many ponds and small lakes dry up, as a result, the aquatic organisms of these places also die. Survival of human beings also become difficult in drought conditions because water is not available to fulfill basic needs of life such as water required for drinking. As crops of cereals, vegetables and other necessary plants may not survive or grow in the drought condition, there will be scarcity of food.